Okay folks, welcome back to another video about vulnerability assessment and active passive scanning. So somebody asked me, is there any sort of tools out there that I can get it installed on my PC as a standalone home user, or some sort of like a trial that I can scan any vulnerabilities whether offline and online? So yes, absolutely, there is one. So I want to show you exactly some of the tools out there that you can get it and install it on your, even on your home PC, and scan any vulnerability. So let's get going. So here is basically the what you need, the website. So Nessus has been in the market for so long and is very good device. Software. I wouldn't say device, software to use. There is basically a um, version, the free version is called Nessus Essential. This is a free vulnerability assessment solution for up to 16 IP address that provides an entry point into the Tenable system. So if I click here, you can see the URL here. Alright, so you got tenable.com/products/nessus/nessus dash essential, and you put your first name, last name, and email, and then click register. After that, they will basically send you the link, URL link to download the stuff, and also they will send you the code. Alright, I have installed this on my machine just to show you exactly how things runs. Okay, so let me take you into that screen because I've already downloaded it and I installed it on my machine as well. So let me take you to that stuff. It's still running right now so that you can see everything in plain day or in daylight. Before I do that, you can go here basically, and some of the stuff are here. So it depends on what you are running. If you basically running Kali Linux, so a lot of stuff in there. If you're running on Windows, a lot of stuff in there. So here you've got Windows basically, Windows 7, 10, and so on and so forth. So these are basically some of the versions that you might be want to download it, and there's a lot of stuff in there as you can see. So some of them are 64, some of them are 62 as well. So it depends what sort of Windows that you are running. Now the one I am running is this one right now. I got 64-bit here. You don't need Windows Server, that's an 8 and whatsoever. They just put here the version. So basically I believe the one that you want to have 64, Windows 10, wherever you're running it, and this is how you're going to download the stuff in there. So let me take you back to where I have downloaded and the installation is running at the moment. So here I've got the Nessus basically initializing. Please wait while the Nessus prepares the files needed to scan your assets. Okay, so as you can see, this will take ages and ages and ages and so on and so forth. So you need to wait and see exactly, maybe the file would be too large as well, very, very large. So you need to wait until the installation completes it, and then you're ready to scan. So I'm going to do a complete video later on, how to scan it, what to scan. There's so much stuff in there: auditing, scanning, vulnerability, operating system, web application, bunch of stuff that are available to you. Remember, if you face some limitation, then of course this is just the free version, because you have to have the professional version, production version. So until then, have a good day and see you on the next video. Apology, I just want to add other couple of steps before I go. I'm sure that you're gonna visit the website and see exactly what is available. But as you can see here, you have about 5 steps, okay, to basically go through. So the way I basically add it, DS, DA, PRRM, okay, that's how I basically do it. So discover, assess, prioritize, uh, and then you got some sort of like remediate and measure. So basically you identify and map every asset across any computing environment. Then you basically do the assessment, which you understand the cyber exposure of all assets, including vulnerabilities, misconfiguration, and other security health indicators, okay? If you want to then prioritize, so on the priority side, you're going to basically talk about, which one is what's the most priority on your list, which one is critical, which one is not critical, all right? And that way, severity, high level stuff. And then remediation, you determine like which one to fix first and apply the appropriate remediation or mitigation techniques. Lastly, you calculate and communicate, compare cyber exposure and a key maturity metrics to drive reduction. So basically, like here you calculate, what was the damage, because most of the time you're talking about the cost and the target. So what was your main target? What was you trying you achieve? What was the key metric you're trying to basically come up with? Here it's like measurement, like solution. All right. So until then, have a good day. See you then. Bye bye.